Local news for Thursday, the 20th of June. Chevron and Norwegian oil giant Equinor have opted to abandon their joint exploration efforts off the east coast of the North Island. The two firms have applied to surrender 3 permits that they were granted in December 2014. The acreage covering more than 25,000 square kilometres of ocean, roughly a quarter of the country's active exploration portfolio, including off the southern Wairarapa coast. And buses will replace trains on Sunday in the Wairarapa line. Just a reminder that some delays may be expected. And police have officially released the names of the men who died following a crash involving 2 light aircraft near Hughes Line on Sunday the 16th of June. They were 20-year-old Joshua Christensen and 66-year-old Craig McBride, both of Masterton. Police are continuing to investigate the incident on behalf of the coroner in conjunction with the Civil Aviation Authority and the Transport Accident Investigation Commission. And in sport, the two Premier netball leaders will go head-to-head tomorrow night. The unbeaten Celtic and Wairarapa College will face off at 6 p.m, while Carterton Red play the winless Gladstone Heat. And in hockey, the Dalford men are away this weekend to Nainai, while the women will take on Harbour City.